guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing something Valentine special. So it's a beautiful recipe of strawberry and cream, which is Mahabaleshwar famous strawberry and cream recipe. You can go and check it out. You can go and check out the strawberry compote recipe on my Instagram. I'm going to put the handle here, and I'm just going to show you how we make these Geo hearts with strawberry and cream inside, and this tastes delicious, especially because the coating is going to be made of white chocolate, and white chocolate goes really well with cream and strawberry because it's tarty and sweet together. Let's dive right into it and see how I make it. So I have white chocolate ready here. So what I've done is I've taken Morday compound, white compound, and I've added few drops of this Bake Heaven's red, I think, yeah, red का मैंने few drops add किया था, and that's what has given me this red color. And this is the strawberry compote recipe I was talking about. There is no added colors to this. This is actually the natural strawberry color. So you can definitely go check out the recipe, like I said, on my Instagram handle. We're going to start making these Geo hearts now. This has hardened a little, but it's still workable. Okay, so I'm going to add it here. I'm a little clumsy in working with these molds, so just pardon me on that. But one more thing, because the room has AC going on already, so it's going to harden the chocolate quickly. So you have to work very quick with this mold and with white chocolate as well. And this brush that I've taken is actually a normal paint brush. It is just, I use these specific brushes for only my work, which is baking. So it's okay. You can buy a new pair or new set of brushes for your baking work and keep that specifically for baking. These are just general painting brushes, okay? So there's nothing hi-fi about them. These are just general brushes that you get at stationery stores. Make sure you're coating all the sides of it. And if you think there's too much excess, just pull it out, because you're going to do a second coating as well, okay? To set this first layer, just put them in the freezer for say around 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, like less than 5 minutes, just until they're dry to touch, and you remove them and do the second coating. So I'm going to go ahead and fill 2 more hearts, and I'll come back after keeping it in the freezer for 5 minutes. So guys, the hearts are out of the freezer. I kept them for say around a few minutes. Okay, now my chocolate is again, I remelted it. I'm going to use the same brush to coat the sides again. I'm not coating the center, I'm just coating the sides again. So while removing it, it doesn't break. Only the sides. You can see how I'm doing only the sides. A lot of people used to ask me कि हमारा ये shells टूटते क्यों हैं? So shells break only because you all don't coat it doubly, and mostly the sides have to be coated doubly because that's where it's very delicate. Because what happens is when you put the first coating, all the chocolate goes down at the bottom, right? It gets collected at the bottom, at the base. So that's why you need to remember to do second coating for at least on your sides. Now again, I'm going to pop these in the freezer for say 2 minutes, and then we'll demold them. So guys, these shells are out of the freezer now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to demold these. So very slowly from the sides, you need to loosen them. Extremely slowly, and slowly push them from the bottom. For all the sides, okay? You need to do it for all the sides. Just loosen them from all the sides. And one by one, just So these two fingers, just push it out like that. Okay. So I'm going to keep it here on the platter next to me. So if you had not coated the sides well, you would have gotten broken sides. That's why you need to do the double coating on the sides. Okay. So I have the cream ready here. I usually use Chocolite, so I have that, and I have mixed it with little pink. So basically you take this in your hands and fill it like that. So we're going to fill only 2 shells with the cream. And rest 2 shells we will be filling with the strawberry compote that we made. For this recipe, definitely check out my Instagram IGTV, where I've made this on live session. It's a very delicious recipe. It's a very simple recipe. You can definitely try it out with any other fruit also if you like. But do check it out for sure because it's a very nice recipe. I'm going to take the melted chocolate again and just going to coat the sides. Quickly coat the sides so you can stick the 2 shells together. So you'll have to be a little quicker because the chocolate will start setting otherwise. Okay, I've put chocolate on the edge of this one. Just stick it together and run your finger through it. If you think it's not coated, like from here this is not coated, so I'll go ahead and take a little more chocolate. So as you can see, there is extra chocolate on the sides. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, taking the scalpel, I'm just going to cut off the excess and try and make it smoother. So guys, as you all already know, we made these hearts in today's video, and I'm not going to break them on this video here. I'm going to break them on my reel, so go ahead and follow me there. And if you all make it, don't forget to tag us on Instagram and let me know in the comments below if you all like the recipe. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I shall see you really soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.